What is going on, guys? Today I want to be talking about the best way to make money / increase your net worth in 2022, right? So again, this is a really good method in my opinion, but again, it all depends on you. So one of the main things that I realized is we mostly spend, money on where we live. So again, a big chunk of the income we make or whatever is spent on where we live, unless you live at home or whatever, right? No shade on that or anything like that. But again, that would save you the income. But then you don't have freedom and stuff like that. So here's the thing, right? Rent prices, they've gone up tremendously, especially recently. So a one-bedroom apartment, you're gonna be looking around, depending on where you live, minimum around $1,500. Now, that's a decent amount of money. So here's the thing, and that's in a crappy one bedroom or studio apartment, right? You don't really have much of anything. So instead, what you can start doing is you actually look for a house around a good price range. And now, why would you want to be doing that? Because the apartment, you're most likely paying rent. Now, paying rent, I hate it. I hated it when I was in college. And yeah, it's stupid because basically all you're doing is you're giving someone else your money and you get nothing in return except a roof over your head. Now that's important, but if I can get a roof over my head as well as keep all my money, I would much rather do that. So now you're wondering, okay, but how do I make money with this? Here's the thing, right? Let's say, easy math, you buy a house for $500,000, 500,000, right? Now you're thinking, oh, great, I don't have 500,000. You don't need that. You're like, I don't have 20%. Again, you don't need that. If it's your first home ever, you can get away with 3.5, or even if it's not, you can get away with 5. Now, what does that mean? Okay, 5% of 500,000, that is literally $25,000. That's not too bad, right? Now, if you don't have $25,000, don't worry, there's a solution. Private lender, use a credit card, whatever it takes, right? Yes, you're going to be paying higher interest on it, doesn't matter. Not really that much in the long run. Here's the thing, once you get that house, you're like, okay, great, now the mortgage on that house is $3,000. What am I supposed to do about that? Again, not a problem either. Here's the thing, usually if you get a house that size, right, you're looking at around 4 bedrooms. Now, if you do, again, it depends on where you live. If you do that, right, okay, let's say your mortgage is $3,000. You get 3 roommates. They each pay you $1,000. Done. Or you get 2 roommates, they each pay you $1,000 and you pay $1,000. Now, here's the thing. Your money, all it's actually doing is it's like you're investing it, right? So for me, my income, right, every single month I put this much in stocks, this much in crypto, and on and on and on. Now, again, I have leftover money. Now, at that point, I'm like, I can spend it. I don't want to. I really don't, right? It really depends on my month. Again, sometimes I want to have fun. Most of the times I really just want to keep investing my money because I know what I did to get to that point. So, what's the best solution? Put it into your house. Because then guess what? When you own that outright, where every single month when you're paying that off, you're basically investing into an appreciating asset, right? So every month it's accumulating in wealth as well as all of that, the money you're putting in. So all you're really doing is it's like you're putting your money in a very good savings account every single month. Or if they end up paying it off for you, you're living for free, and now you basically have an extra $1,500 in your pocket every single month, which you can invest into something else or spend it, right? I'm not here to judge you. I would invest it, but again, you do you. So again, that's one of the best things to do, especially with the housing market being as crazy as it is. The current house I'm in, literally just from April to now, it's basically gone up around $200,000, which is ridiculous, right? So basically April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, in 9 months, right, I theoretically made $200,000, or at least my net worth has increased $200,000 in the past 9 months for literally doing nothing. I am not doing crap. I signed a piece of paper at the beginning. That was it. And that was that, right? So the reason I'm making this video, because I'm closing on the second house tomorrow. And then from that point on, again, that will be another asset that I can either put money into if I want to. I won't really need to. But again, I want to get that paid off as fast as possible. Because then, again, you can refinance, pull it out, or I can just straight up move into another house. And yeah, so in my opinion, one of the best things to do is get one. Now again, if you're in your 20s, most people don't have the capital to be able to get one or afford one on a monthly basis, hence roommates. I love having roommates. Again, you gotta get along with your roommates. I'm not saying buy like a 4-bedroom house and live with 6 people in it. No, right? I did that, ended terribly. It was a terrible 6-bedroom house. We were renting it. We all lived together in college. Holy crap, it ended up so bad, right? We all hate each other now. So, again, that's just kind of how it is. So again, choose who you want to live with. Again, this is an entrepreneur house, so I know the people well. I'm about to hop on a call with one of them because I have some questions, not about the house, just about other business crap. But yeah, that's kind of how I'm looking at it. But again, that's just my tip for you guys going into 2022. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Peace out, guys.